Hello guys, welcome back to Nafa MJ channel. In this video, I want to tell you a story about the Little Mermaid. Deep in the ocean, there lived a beautiful mermaid named Ariel who longed to explore the world beyond the sea. She was fascinated with human beings and their world, and one day, she saved a prince from drowning in a shipwreck. She fell in love with him and decided to seek help from the sea, which to turn her into a human. The sea witch agreed to turn her into a human in exchange for her voice, warning that if she failed to make the prince fall in love with her, she would turn back into a mermaid and become the sea witch's prisoner forever. Ariel agreed to the terms and became a human, but the prince was already engaged to another woman. Ariel tried to win the prince's heart, but failed. In the end, the sea witch was defeated, and Ariel's father, the king of the sea, allowed her to become a human permanently and marry the prince. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell.